By the end of the video, you will know about lose weight rapidly. Tips for quick and sustainable results. Losing weight rapidly can be a motivating start to your fitness journey, but it's important to ensure that the results are sustainable. Here are some effective tips for quick and lasting weight loss. 1. Create a calorie deficit. A calorie deficit occurs when you consume fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. This forces your body to use stored fat for energy. Tips to create a calorie deficit. Track your daily caloric intake using a food diary or app. Aim to reduce your daily calorie intake by 500 to 750 calories to lose about 1 to 2 pounds per week. 2. Incorporate high-intensity interval training HIIT. HIIT workouts are effective for burning calories in a short time and can boost your metabolism 4 hours after exercise. Example height routine: 30 seconds of jumping jacks, 30 seconds of rest, 30 seconds of burpees, 30 seconds of rest. Repeat for 15 to 20 minutes. 3. Follow a balanced, low-carb diet. A low-carb diet can help you lose weight quickly by reducing water retention and lowering insulin levels. Sample low-carb foods: lean proteins chicken, fish, tofu, vegetables spinach, broccoli, cauliflower. Healthy fats avocados, nuts, olive oil. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking water can help you feel full and may boost your metabolism. Hydration tips: drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Drink a glass of water before meals to reduce hunger. 5. Get enough sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for weight management. Poor sleep can increase hunger and calorie intake. Sleep tips: aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Maintain a regular sleep schedule. 6. Practice portion control. Eating smaller portions can help reduce your calorie intake without making you feel deprived. Portion control strategies: use smaller plates and bowls. Measure portions to avoid overeating. 7. Increase protein intake. Protein can boost metabolism and reduce appetite. High-protein foods: eggs, Greek yogurt, lean meats, legumes. 8. Eat fiber-rich foods. Fiber helps you feel full longer, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. High-fiber foods: whole grains, fruits, apples, berries, vegetables, carrots, beans, nuts and seeds. 9. Limit added sugars and refined carbs. Reducing sugar and refined carb intake can help prevent spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. Healthy substitutes: fruits instead of sugary snacks, whole grains instead of refined grains. 10. Stay consistent and monitor progress. Consistency is key to achieving and maintaining weight loss. Ways to stay on track: keep a food and exercise journal. Weigh yourself regularly to monitor progress. Adjust your plan as needed based on your progress. 11. Seek support. Having a support system can help you stay motivated and accountable. Ways to find support: join a weight loss group or community. Partner with a friend for workouts. Consult with a nutritionist or personal trainer.